What's up, everybody? Welcome to Shark Vlog, and welcome to a weird hybrid episode. Today's both kind of going to be Shark Thrift and Shark Tendo, and that's happening because I went thrift shopping yesterday because one of the chains of thrift stores here where I live has a half-off day on Monday, and so we just went to that without any intentions of making an episode. I just knew I had to go home and make a video out of this Ultimate Gaming Thrift Haul, so here it is. We're just going to run through it real quick. I just want to make this so you can be amazed how much awesome stuff I found in one day. All right, so let's start with, it's kind of hard. I don't know what to show you first. Let's start with the games. All right, so this is pretty good, I think, as far as the haul goes, because here in Phoenix where I live, it's often hard to find GameCube games at the thrift. And I'm not quite that into collecting games to pay full price for those. I am into the consoles. I know, kind of weird, but I like to get the games as they come to the thrift store. So I found Soul Calibur for GameCube. And that's probably fine of the day for games. And I paid, so this is complicated because all these stickers, they're half off. So it says $3. Well, that means I paid $1.50. And then Lego Batman, Wii, also $1.50. Banging. GameCube Tony Hawk American Wasteland. That one was $2. Got a $4 sticker on it. Paid half price for that. Tetris Classic. I don't have my own copy, so I was more than happy to pick that up for a couple bucks. I took the sticker off this because it was the first thing I bought, but I think it had $5 on it, so I paid $2.50. Bonus. GameCube Street Hoops. I literally just bought it because it was a GameCube game for $2. Wasn't gonna pass up on it. ATV2, again, GameCube game. I paid $1.50 for it. Just gonna put it in the old library. And then PlayStation 2 Star Wars 2, the original trilogy. Legos. Super into the Lego games. Well, I was at least 7 or 8 years ago. I am looking to get back into playing all the ones that I've missed since. All right, let me show you one of the consoles that I got. Probably the least special, but still awesome. The old Atari Flashback, or the new Atari Flashback. My only Atari controllers that I have are the ones that came with this one. And I've been meaning to get around to buy one of these. I'm just, again, not going to pay full price. Got a $10 sticker on it, so I paid $5 for it. Dope, right? So glad to have that. Just got to find a power supply for it, but I'm sure I have tons that'll work. Next, let me show you. We'll skip around and come back to the other 2 consoles that I bought. This was probably, I'm going to say I was tied in excitement for finding this as much as I was finding this bag. So this is a controller bag for the N64. Get a load of that. Now I'm really excited about this because I have a collection of Nintendo bags and other console bags. I only have my Nintendo bags displayed right now, but I'm going to add my PlayStation and Sega bags to that display as well here really soon. But really excited about that. I'm probably equally excited about this Super Nintendo cartridge wall mount. I am super into this stuff. Matter of fact, I saw something very similar to this at a local game store just the other day. The price tag on it was 60 or 70 bucks. It was a little bigger than this, but still excited me just as much. And I wanted to buy it, but I just wasn't going to spend $70 for it. And sure enough, I adhered to my motto, which is just wait for it to show up at the thrift. And sure enough, not even a week and a half later, here it is. So I'm very excited to hang that on the wall and display some of my better Super Nintendo games. So excited about that. Let's go back to another console, okay? Now, this I was super excited about. I haven't even opened it. Maybe I should sit here and open it now. Do you see what that is? You see that? You see that? You see that? That is a Sega Genesis 1. Now, I've got 2 Sega Genesis. I've got a 1 and I've got a 2, but the 1, I don't know if there's anything wrong with it. I read that the video problems I was having with it often happen because of a bad or incompatible power supply. So I'm kind of hoping on that one that's all it is. But I need scissors. BRB. So let me show you the price tag on this bad boy. $30 price tag, right? Well, That means I paid $15. $30 price tag. That means I paid $15. You see a pattern? I bought it because it has the original power supply. So I'm hoping when I plug this into the one I already have, it works, which just means that I have 2 Generation 1 Sega Genesis. And I'll probably just trade, if they both work, I'll trade the second one in for some games or for something else. Maybe trade it in and make my, make my Game Boy collection a little bigger. So that's dope. That was probably find of the day for consoles until I came across the last item I'm going to show you. And this, I'm probably gonna be a little bit more excited about than some would, but I finally got my purple GameCube. And that's exciting because you can see right over here, over my shoulder, I've got a gray and black, right? And I was just looking to add the purple one. So I'm pretty excited about that. I have not tested this nor the Sega yet. I'll do that after this video. And if they don't work, I've become a lot better over the last year or so fixing these things. So I'll fix them if they don't work, or maybe even I'll swap the shell, the purple one, for an extra that I have and just get it going either way. But I'm excited about it. So what do you think? I got all that stuff for, I don't know, I didn't really add up how much I spent, but it wasn't much. It was well under 40 bucks. It's probably like right at 30. So what do you think? Is that crazy for a one-day thrift haul of gaming gear? I think it is. It's definitely the best I've ever done in one day. I mean, I've found crazier stuff at a thrift store, but in terms of volume, I think I did all right. Leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite thing is that I found for this thrift haul. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this Nintendo bag, this N64 bag, because it matches the other one that I have. And these things get harder and harder to find every year. So I'm real excited about that. Thanks for watching, guys. Come back next time for all your thrifting and gaming YouTube needs. Peace out.
Hey, I'm a shark with a top hat, and I think you should subscribe. Go ahead, hit the button. I'll wait. Okay, bye.